Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has enjoined prospective beneficiaries of the NDDC Foreign Postgraduate Scholarship Program to see it as an opportunity to contribute their quota to the development of the region. Dr. Ogbuku gave the advice recently when he observed the selection process of the scholarship program in Port Harcourt, the River State capital.
Under the current board and management of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, the intervention agency has recommenced its policy of sponsoring no fewer than 200 university graduates of Niger Delta origin to acquire a master's degree overseas as part of its Foreign Postgraduate Scholarship Program, which is aimed at improving human capacity development in the region. For the 2024 academic session, the Commission had launched an online portal in September for applications to study in diverse fields of knowledge, including artificial intelligence, which was recently introduced in the program to enable the region meet up with current global trends in technology. Recently, 1,050 out of the 5,000 candidates who sat for the first selection test were invited for an oral test in Port Harcourt. The test was conducted to get the most suitably qualified candidates benefit from the scholarship awards. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, who personally monitored the process to ensure absolute transparency, told the panelists to base their assessment of candidates strictly on merit.
We needed to show interest, let everybody know that yes, we did not just set the process without also checking what was happening. And coming in here and what we have seen so far, we believe that the best is going to be picked out of the successful candidate.
For their part, some candidates who participated in the oral test for the scholarship program adjudged the process as seamless and fair.
I want to give kudos to the Commission for putting up this wonderful initiative.
It's also been transparent thus far, and with confidence, I can say it's about the best we've had in the Niger Delta. It's the best we've had from the board of the NDDC.
The prospective NDDC scholars also promised to deploy their knowledge for the development of the Niger Delta region on completion of their studies.
I'll come back to Nigeria to go back to my host community, which is Okreka local government. The course I'm going to study is international business management. So I'm going to bring back that knowledge in global business, global economy to the community.
If I get the requisite capacity and knowledge, I also come back also to advocate for some reforms and other things that will also help the region.
Meanwhile, the NDDC helmsman, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, had enjoined prospective candidates of the scholarship program to be of good conduct and worthy ambassadors of Nigeria's oil-rich region when awarded the scholarship. He also sounded a note of warning that candidates who might want to use the opportunity for illegal migration would not be allowed to have their way.
We're not sending them out to go and stay there. Every candidate that is going also signs an agreement to come back, because we're not running a program where we export people out. We're not outsourcing. We are sending people for scholarship to go and learn and come back to add value to our society.
The oral test is the final stage of the selection process for the NDDC Scholarship Award Program. Hence, no fewer than 200 successful candidates are expected to depart Nigeria for their studies abroad in no distant time.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,